Tucked away on the southern Black Sea coast of Bulgaria, just a short stroll from the historic charm of Sozopol Old Town, sits a sprawling resort that promises sunshine, sea air, and the kind of laid-back family holiday that working folks dream about all year. Santa Marina Holiday Village is a four-star complex that markets itself as more of a small village than a traditional hotel, and once you see the scale of the place, that branding starts to make sense. With pine forests rolling down to the bay and dozens of low-rise villas arranged in an amphitheater shape along the hillside, it looks like a postcard come to life. Today the focus is on what guests actually get when they book a stay here, from the apartments and dining venues to the pools, the spa, and everything in between. Honest impressions, a few weaker points, and the standout moments are all on the table. The accommodation at Santa Marina is built around apartment-style living rather than standard hotel rooms, which is a refreshing change for travelers who like a bit more space and independence. The smallest option is the studio apartment, coming in at around 45 square meters and sleeping two guests in either a double bed or twin bed setup, along with a sofa, a kitchenette with a fridge and basic cooking facilities, and a bathroom with a shower. Each studio includes air conditioning, satellite television, free Wi-Fi, and either a balcony or a terrace, which is where most guests end up sipping their morning coffee while listening to the sound of the sea. It is a sensible layout for couples or solo travelers who want a touch of self-catering convenience without paying for square footage they will never use. The finishes lean towards a Mediterranean holiday feel rather than a sleek modern hotel look, which some reviewers love and others find a little dated. Stepping up in size, the one-bedroom apartment runs about 60 square meters and comfortably handles a family of four, thanks to a separate bedroom and a living room with a sofa bed. The two-bedroom apartment expands further to roughly 80 square meters and sleeps six, with some configurations including two bathrooms, which any parent traveling with teenagers will immediately appreciate. For larger groups or multi-generational holidays, the three-bedroom apartment stretches to around 120 square meters, sleeps eight, and includes a fully equipped kitchen with an oven, two bathrooms, and a generous balcony. Across all categories, the standard amenities like air conditioning, Wi-Fi, satellite TV, and private outdoor space remain consistent. There are no explicit adults-only zones here, since the property is designed from the ground up as a family-friendly destination, and the apartment layouts reflect that priority. When it comes to dining, Santa Marina keeps things varied enough that guests rarely need to leave the complex to find a satisfying meal. The headline venue is Viva Mare Fish and Grill, which leans into seafood and grilled dishes with a Mediterranean and Bulgarian twist, making it an obvious pick for an evening with a sea breeze and a plate of freshly cooked fish. Apollonia Restaurant covers the broader bases with international and Bulgarian cuisine, and it offers both buffet and a la carte options, which works well for guests who want flexibility depending on the day or how hungry the kids are. Then there is Casa Mia, the Italian option where pizza and pasta keep things simple, comforting, and crowd-pleasing for picky eaters. Rounding out the food scene is Patisserie Nostalgia, a sweet spot for desserts, pastries, and afternoon coffee. Beyond the sit-down restaurants, the resort also includes pool bars scattered around the complex, which means a cold drink or a quick snack is never more than a short walk away. Several guests have specifically called out the friendliness and efficiency of the bar staff in their reviews, noting that drinks arrive quickly and the cocktails are mixed with genuine care. Two on-site supermarkets and mini-markets fill in the gaps for anyone using their kitchenette to whip up breakfast or pack a beach picnic. One small caveat worth mentioning is that during the shoulder seasons, some of the restaurants and services may operate on reduced hours or close altogether, which a few off-peak visitors have flagged in their reviews. During peak summer, however, the dining options are running at full steam and there is plenty of variety to keep most holidaymakers happy. The pool situation at Santa Marina is honestly one of its biggest selling points, with 5 outdoor swimming pools and 4 dedicated children's pools spread across the resort. Each pool area has its own character, and several guests have mentioned that Pool 1 and Pool 4 are particularly popular thanks to their cleanliness, atmosphere, and easy access to food and drinks throughout the day. Sun loungers and umbrellas are plentiful around the pools, so families do not need to wake up at dawn to claim a decent spot, which is more than can be said for many Mediterranean resorts. The pools are well maintained, the water is regularly cleaned, and the surrounding gardens add a lush, green backdrop that makes the whole area feel more like a private retreat than a generic resort. As for the beach, Santa Marina sits just above Kings Beach, also known locally as Golden Fish Bay, with the closest access only about 300 meters from the complex. The resort offers a private or sectioned area on the beach with suns and umbrellas, though this comes at an additional cost rather than being included in the room rate. Honest reviews suggest that while the small beach section below the resort is convenient, the larger beach to the left is more impressive and worth the short walk for stronger swimming and softer sand. For guests with an adventurous streak, Kavatsi Beach and Smakinya Beach are within easy driving distance and offer different vibes, from family-friendly shallows to wider, more open stretches of coast. Water activities are typically available seasonally along the bay, including basic options like paddle boats and inflatables during the summer months. Active guests will find plenty to keep them busy because Santa Marina takes its sports facilities seriously. 8 tennis courts make it a genuine destination for tennis enthusiasts, and you do not see that kind of investment in court space at every family resort along the Black Sea. There's also a full football field on site, which is fantastic for groups traveling with sports-mad kids or adults who want to organize a friendly match. Beyond the formal facilities, the sprawling layout of the resort itself encourages walking and casual exploration, and the internal electric buses make it easy to hop between the different zones without breaking a sweat in the summer heat. Jogging through the pine forests in the early morning is a popular way to start the day, and the sea air does wonders for clearing the head. Cultural and educational activities tend to revolve around the surrounding area rather than structured programs inside the resort, but that is no bad thing given how rich the local history is. Sozopol Old Town is just a couple of kilometers away and offers ancient ruins, traditional Bulgarian wooden houses, and small museums that bring the region's past to life. The nearby castle of Ravadinovo, only about 3 kilometers from the resort, is another favorite for guests who want a half-day excursion that mixes architecture, gardens, and a bit of fairy tale atmosphere. Many guests combine a beach holiday with these cultural day trips, and the resort's location makes that mix surprisingly easy to pull off. For those who want to slow things right down, the on-site wellness center and spa offers a welcome contrast to the more active side of the resort. Treatments include a range of massages and beauty services, and the facilities include a sauna and a steam room where guests can ease tired muscles after a long day of swimming, walking, or chasing children around the pools. The spa is not the largest or most lavish facility on the Black Sea coast, but it covers the essentials well and provides a peaceful escape when the rest of the resort is buzzing with activity. Couples often book a treatment together as a small luxury during a family trip, and the calm, professional atmosphere makes it feel like a proper indulgence. While there are no extensive detox programs or formal yoga retreats advertised at Santa Marina, the natural setting itself lends a kind of organic wellness to the whole stay. The pine-scented air, the gentle sound of the waves, and the slower pace of life in Sozopol all combine to encourage rest in a way that no schedule of classes really can. Some guests have reported being able to arrange informal stretching or fitness sessions through the resort, particularly during peak season, but it is worth checking ahead if a structured wellness program is important to the trip. For most visitors, the combination of spa treatments, swimming, walking, and good food is more than enough to leave them feeling refreshed by the end of the holiday. Families traveling with younger children will be pleased to find that Santa Marina is genuinely committed to keeping kids entertained throughout the day. There is a dedicated kids club where children can join supervised activities, along with a large children's playground that gets plenty of use during the warmer months. A rope park adds an extra layer of adventure for slightly older children who want to test their balance and burn off some energy. Combined with the 4 dedicated kids' pools, the family-oriented facilities make it easy for parents to actually relax for a few hours while the children are happily occupied. The general layout of the resort is also pleasingly safe, with car-free zones, electric buses for internal transport, and plenty of open green space. In terms of nearby attractions, the resort's location really earns its keep. Sozopol Old Town is the obvious highlight, just 2 kilometers away, offering cobbled streets, art galleries, seafood restaurants, and stunning sea views from its peninsula. The town center of Sozopol, slightly closer at under 2 kilometers, has the practical shops, cafes, and bakeries that come in handy for visitors who want to mix in some local atmosphere. The castle of Ravadanovo, with its unusual architecture and beautifully manicured grounds, makes a memorable half-day outing. Several stunning beaches, including Harmonite, Kavatsy, and Smekinya, all sit within easy reach for guests who fancy a change of scenery. For those flying in, Burgas Airport is around 34 kilometers to the north and offers reasonable taxi and transfer options, making the journey to the resort straightforward. Burgas city itself, also about 34 kilometers away, has more substantial shopping, dining, and entertainment for guests who want a city day. The overall location strikes a nice balance between feeling tucked away in nature and being close enough to civilization that boredom is never really a risk. Taking a balanced look at the resort, Santa Marina earns solid scores across the major booking platforms, with reviewers consistently praising the location, the cleanliness, and the family-friendly facilities. The beachfront setting surrounded by pine forest gives the place a genuinely peaceful feel, and the apartment-style accommodation offers space and flexibility that traditional hotel rooms cannot match. On the other hand, some guests have flagged that the apartments can feel a little dated, with older furniture, occasional issues like ants in the kitchen, and missing details like mosquito nets. The fact that parking inside the complex carries an extra charge has also rubbed some visitors the wrong way, and the value for money score tends to lag slightly behind the other categories. What makes Santa Marina stand out is the sheer scale and variety packed into one resort, which genuinely lives up to its village branding. 80 villas, multiple swimming pools, 4 restaurants, 2 supermarkets, 8 tennis courts, a football field, a rope park, and a wellness center all sit within one fenced complex, and the electric buses make moving around feel like part of the experience rather than a chore. The dog-friendly policy, which apparently does not even come with an extra charge, is another welcome touch that pet owners rarely see at this kind of resort. Combined with the proximity to historic Sozopol and the stunning Black Sea coast, the package feels distinct from the usual cookie-cutter beach hotels. While Santa Marina is primarily a leisure destination, the size of the complex and the variety of facilities mean it can also accommodate smaller events, group bookings, and informal gatherings. Larger family reunions, sports group trips, and tennis-focused getaways are all natural fits for the property, and the multiple dining venues make catering for groups straightforward. Specific conference rooms or formal event facilities are not heavily advertised, so anyone planning a serious business event should reach out to the resort directly to discuss what is possible. Among the guest experience highlights that come up repeatedly in reviews, the warm and attentive staff stand out, particularly at the bars and around the pool areas. The atmosphere is described as quiet, relaxing, and unmistakably holiday-like, and many returning guests speak about the resort feeling like a second home after just a few days. The combination of clean pools, attentive service, beautiful gardens, and easy access to both beach and history adds up to a memorable summer escape. For working-class families looking for a generous, flexible, and genuinely fun Black Sea holiday, Santa Marina Holiday Village remains a strong and worthwhile contender. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.